Hey, this is Jamie from the Crafters Workshop. I'm here to show you Gabrielle Pollacco's newest, latest and greatest stuff for summer 2018. She's got Blueprint. I mean, what a phenomenal idea. Isn't that a great one for backgrounds? I love it, all the detail. And then Mystical Tree. I just think that's wonderful, just the movement that goes on there. It's so pretty. And then she's got Magnolia Blossoms. Such a wonderful Gabby image. You can color it in. You can put, this one is with modeling paste through it. And last but not least, birds and butterflies. Very whimsical, fun, happy birds and butterflies. Very Gabby. I know you'll love these.
Thanks for watching. This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Mixed Media event in Sandy, Utah. If you want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!